Ready to fortify your Ubuntu system with secure, private internet access? First, head over to the Hotspot Shield website using your favorite browser. I'm using Firefox here. You can either download the Linux client if available, or if there isn't a direct Linux app, you can configure OpenVPN manually, which is fully compatible with Hotspot Shield. Let's set up OpenVPN. To do this, go to your Ubuntu settings. You can usually find it in the Applications menu. Look for the Network Settings. In the Network Settings, find the VPN section and click on the plus button to add a new VPN connection. Choose Import from Affiliate Euro. The next step requires you to get the OpenVPN configuration from Hotspot Shield's website by creating an account. This is for your connection to be successfully set up. Now locate your downloaded OVPN file and select it to import. This file contains your server configurations. You will now be prompted to enter your username and password using your Hotspot Shield login details. This is what connects you to the service. Be sure to input the correct credentials so the connection is not interrupted. Double-check the advanced settings if needed. Once you've entered your credentials, save the VPN connection and simply toggle the switch to connect. You are now connected to Hotspot Shield using Ubuntu OpenVPN. Your data is protected.